Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must prove lawful ownership before changing any locked device. First, gather the purchase receipt, the iPhone serial/MA, and the Apple ID info if available. Next, charge the iPhone above 50% and connect with a reliable USB cable to a Windows PC. Install and open 3utools, but do not attempt activation lock bypass. Instead, use 3utools to read device info and export logs you'll need for support requests. These steps save time when contacting Apple. Once 3utools is open, select device info to inspect activation lock status and copy the serial or MA. Make a full export of the device report and save screenshots or photos of any activation screen for records. If Find My iPhone is active, you must contact the original owner and have them remove the device from iCloud. This is the legitimate route. If purchasing used, ask the seller to sign into iCloud or remove the device remotely. This avoids any risky bypass attempts. To complete the process lawfully, contact Apple support and present the purchase receipt plus the exported device report. Apple can review and remove activation lock for verified owners. Use 3utools solely for benign tasks like backups, flashing Apple-signed firmware, and diagnostics, not for bypassing locks. If Apple can't help, return to the seller or escalate through consumer protection channels. If 3utools shows connection errors, try a different USB port, cable, or PC, and re-export the logs for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.